Here's what it looks like now. Timer's been busy. We started putting our green plate on, but can't really get up there right now. It's Friday evening. We'll be back out here Monday. All this will be gone Monday. We'll get a good video in for you on Monday. I'll make sure of it. Yeah. Later on. I'm getting all the trash picked up. Still got all this. We got this area cleaned up. It's been a tough morning. We got our J-bolts and our all threads in for our beam. We got our J-bolts in for our green board, our bottom plate for our walls. So it's going slowly but surely. Be back. Here's what we got so far. Get back here so you can see all this mess. I gotta cut up that wall. We just took out this corner right here. It's a mess. I'm back here soon. The garage is the only thing that's left standing now. I don't know if you can see in here or not. Yeah, you can. The garage ain't in bad shape. Just that busted window right there. We had to, I don't know if he's gonna have us do anything to the garage or not, but I ain't worried about that right now. That's what it looks like. It's a mess. We'll get it. Yeah. So it's a mess there. We'll be here for a while. Look at this. Look at this over here. It's all the metal and stuff we saved up. So I'm pretty sure we're going to be burning a bunch of stuff here. We got a burn permit. So there's some wire. I think that is another pile of like wood ashes or something like that from before, a long time ago. So yeah. Right here this morning, I had to put up this one buy-up around this door. It's easy. I mean, it's not, by all means, it's not perfect, but it covered up what was there. And I had to fix the door out front. That don't look too bad. It looks all right. For what it's for, what it's, you know, it'll work. So, yeah. I didn't want to do anything to the bottom sill plate. They're just getting this house fixed up to rent out. I'm not going to say what they want for rent for each month because it's insane. But they already got it rented out. So, yeah, more power to them. So it don't look bad. It'll work. Keep the weather out. The house that we are working on, that we tore down, I think we're going back out there. We're getting all the materials drop shipped tomorrow. So then we can start putting our sill plate on, start building, start framing, start getting the house put back together. So it's Thursday. Yeah. So I might be back with something else here today. Something interesting happens, or I start doing something interesting, I'll come back and show y'all. If not, then I'll get a bunch of different clips ready together and for tomorrow morning or this evening throw it up. So yeah. Alrighty. Please, before I forget, if y'all don't mind, if you watch this, please comment, rate, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Just hit that thumbs up button, hit that bell, please. The more views, the more likes I get, the more videos I will throw up. I will throw up more and more. You know, I like doing this. I think it's fun. So please, we did that siding up there above that white strip. We put that up there a couple months ago. Please, if you don't mind, and comment too. Let me know that you're watching them too. So I like meeting new people. Thank you.